I'm Dr. Farrah Agustin-Bunch, and I'm visiting our United States-based production facility here in Oklahoma City. Ever since I was a child in the Philippines, I always knew that products made in the USA were the highest quality. I'm with our production manufacturing directors, Steve Anderson and Jacob Weaver.
Well, I want to just say, we're totally honored to be working with Dr. Farrah. I've been kind of following her, been a fan for a long time. And it's one of those things where when you meet somebody, you're a little bit apprehensive because you hope that it's actually as good as what you've been kind of looking at from a distance. And it's actually been much better. I mean, we're, for lack of a better term, probably a little starstruck, but we're super excited to be working with Dr. Farrah. I think one of the things that's most impressive to me about Dr. Farrah is she cares about the person that she's actually working with. And I suppose all doctors say that to a certain degree, but to watch the sacrifices, the effort, the energy that her and her team put into really creating natural products that will change people's lives and make an impact, that's the most important thing. And she's got such a beautiful humility to everything that she does.
Everyone here has been so kind and welcoming. I really appreciate it.
You're most welcome. To be honest, the opportunity just to work with you is something that, really it's an honor. When we're selected, and our scientists were actually super excited. They're pumping their fists and, I don't know. It's just something for us that we don't take lightly, and, we're beyond excited. As an FDA registered and GMP approved facility, we refuse to cut corners. We also make sure that every supplier we work with is approved, all of our vendors are vetted, and they're also GMP certified as well. GMP certification is the standard of quality that us as a manufacturer are required to abide by. So GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practices. Our business is required to actually register with the FDA, which opens us up to audits through the FDA over the course of time, in which they'll come in and ensure that the processes and procedures we abide by are within compliance. So we keep robust records, we have quality tests, we trace everything. All of these are measures that we instill here in the business to ensure that at the end of the day, we produce a quality product and that it's traceable from start to finish.
The goal in my formulations is to make sure that they are truly the best products available. Have we succeeded?
Absolutely, the answer is yes. And quite frankly, your formulas are pure genius.
I'm Bethany Jolly, and I'm the Quality Assurance Director. I have a degree in Food Science and Technology, and I specialize in managing our quality control system. Quality is involved in every step of the process. We source the finest ingredients from qualified vendors. We check all of the products as they arrive. We do tedious testing to make sure they're reputable ingredients. Quality performs checks throughout the entire production process, and then we do that one last check before it ships out to ensure it's labeled accurately, it's sealed, ready to go. So we really value that here. I believe with Dr. Farrah's guidance, we're making the best products in the world.
When you take your attention to detail with the physiology and the microbiology of the formulas themselves, and then the hard work you've done of finding the right raw material providers and the work that they do to ensure the quality of the product, you take all that and you combine it with our commitments to excellence, to the highest quality products that can be made. It's a match made in heaven, literally. I think that it's a stunning testimony to when you bring the right people together and work on a project or they work on creating life-changing products, this is that example. This is the blueprint for how it should be done. And honestly, Dr. Farrah, at the source of sounding a little like, too excited, we really view you as a game changer. So to answer your question, yes. I mean, we've helped you to create the absolute best formulas that we can into what you're doing with the solutions that need to be brought to the market in a natural way is the future of fighting some people's health problems.